Hey guys, how you all doing? I'm Paul the Tech John and welcome to the channel where once again I'll be sharing with you another quick tip for your LG OLED TV, and today's quick tip will be about the focus zoom. So let's crack on. So as always, please bear in mind that these quick tips may not work on your particular LG OLED TV and that my model is the 65-inch B8. So yeah, please just bear that in mind. Now moving on to today's quick tip, and if you are fortunate enough to have this feature, then what you're going to want to do is grab your remote control and do a long press on this focus button right here. So just hold that down for a few seconds and then that will enable focus zoom. And if you can see, we've got a circle up on the screen there, which just zooms in on any particular area when I move the magic pointer around. And yeah, it's just a really handy little feature there. And, you know, especially if maybe your eyesight ain't as good or something, or there's something that, you know, there's something on the screen that you just want to have a closer look at. Now, we've got some options here, like to pause the screen. So what we do, we just wait till it gets to a good little spot. And there's an upcoming sign. So what we do, we'll wait for that to appear. So here we go. Let's have a look on this spar sign there. So we'll pause that right there. And as you can see, we can focus in on that. But using the directional buttons, if we press up, we can zoom in even further and zoom back out again. Also, we can change the shape of the focus. Again, just by using the right directional button, big circle, different squares, so on and so forth. And also we can lock the focus. So if we use the scroll wheel in the middle there, press it once when we're on what we want. And there you go, that is locked that in place. Now the other great feature is that you can capture that image. So if we press the yellow button, now that will save that and put that hopefully into our picture library. And then we go to that now. And there you go, that is saved that. And yeah, maybe if there's something on the screen that you wanted to have a look at, some text or something like that, and wanted to look back at a later date and zoom in on it, then there you go, you've got that all saved. And I think it's a really handy little feature. So there you have it then guys. Hopefully you enjoyed that video today, and if you did, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, then maybe think about subscribing. So thanks very much for joining me today, and hopefully I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now.